I've got a little of this and a little of that. So if you want to see what I got and the comeback box, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracey. Chloe Bandit with me this evening, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So I have a few different things. Some of them are just really small things. And then I have a comeback box that is Smartass and Sass, because they did offer me 50% off of any length subscription up to, I think it was 6 months. You couldn't do the whole year, but I think you could do up to 6 months. So I said, well, okay, I can do that. I'll give it a shot. So the first thing that I have is this box. So I'm just going to show you how it's wrapped. I believe this is from Scarlet Darling, but I could be wrong. This is from Scarlet Darling Cosmetics. So look at how pretty everything is all wrapped up. And I've been wanting to try this company. This is a small business. There's a little sticker in there. So cute. And this is the Pink Sprinkles lip gloss. And look at how nicely everything is wrapped. And you know, I am a lip gloss gal. And this is supposed to smell like marshmallow. Let's see. It does. There it is on. I'm going to put a little bit on because that's amazing. A little bit got on my tongue and it tastes very sweet. Okay, so there it is. It's got a nice big applicator too. I like that. Then this one is the Taffeta Gown. So it's a clear with these iridescent sprinkles. And I kind of feel like I don't want to take this off. Like, I just like how it just looks very old-fashioned. And I don't know if it's picking up the sparkles on there. Amazing. And then look, there's even a little set of lips on there. It's probably on this one too. I just didn't see it because it's pink. Yeah. Okay. Then we have this. I mean, look at that wrapping. It comes out like that. And this is the Magnetic Sorceress color. It's got its own little bed in there. So there's how that looks. These have coffee scent or coffee oil in them, or enriched with, yeah. That's a beautiful color. And then this one here. This is the Dance of the Flamingo. So this was like a really pretty pink. It's kind of a bright pink, and it's enriched with dragon fruit. And I just thought that sounded like it would be amazing. Now she is pink. Oh my God, it smells like bubble gum. But I wanted to get this because I want to mix this with some of like the nudes that I have that are on the brownish side. And I thought that that would neutral out those. So, but I mean, that's a gorgeous color anyway. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I would probably wear it just like this too. She wore it, the person behind the brand posts pictures on Instagram and says depending upon the liner you use, you can kind of change up the color of it. So now, because I just put the gloss on, I'm not going to put that on over it, but gorgeous, gorgeous. And then she sent little sample in here of her red, which is her signature color, I guess. This is Cursed Damsel. I knew I saw the tag in there, I couldn't get to it. Oh, there's another sticker in here too. Now that is a red. Oh, that's a nice red. I like that red. Okay. I am down with all that. So that is ScarletDarlingCosmetics.com. I believe, let me just, oh, just ScarletDarling.com. And if you follow the Instagram page for this brand, you'll see all the new releases and all that kind of good stuff. So next I have a little box from Hank and Henry. They were having a big sale, and I think I just grabbed a couple of things. I don't think I spent very much. So the first thing I got was the tie-dye palette. Gorgeous colors, and this was, I think, $14, maybe even 10. It was discount. It was on sale a lot. I'm just saying. Oh, could have even been $7. I don't know. It's really cheap. That's all I remember. I should screenshot these things, and sometimes I do, but then I'm like, why do I have that screenshotted? And then I delete it, and then I was like, oh, that's why, when I get the actual package. We have one of the Luster glosses in a pink color. Sol, S-O-L, and I think this is in the area of $3. And these always smell like spearmint gum. So it's right there. And you'll know I'm a gloss girl. I'm just saying. And then this Alter Ego, and it has 3 shades in there. And again, this was also on sale, so it's got like those nice crystals around it. And they had a couple of different shades. This was the one I chose with the greens. And then we have the powder in there. All right, so there is that powder, and gorgeous. We've got some blue in that shift. Oh, I knew that was the whole reason I got that. There's the other 2 colors. I'm going to swatch those for you. But it was all about that powder right there. Okay, that's my tiny Hank and Henry order. This is my single cup club order. And this I got off of Cratejoy, and it was so reasonable. I want to say it was $12 or $14. I'll have the information down below in the description. And I do get the all flavors. This month we have Super Fudge. It is from Twisted Pine in Green Bay, Wisconsin. Hazelnut from Granite Peak Coffee in Howard, Wisconsin. And Cinnamon Burst from Vita Blast in Howard, Wisconsin. So it says it's got vitamins and antioxidants in it too, the Vita Blast one. I'll show you the cups. You get quite a lot in here too, I have to say. Like, I like my coffee beanery ones, but sometimes there are some really weird flavors in there, like, I'm not gonna lie. I let the kid have them, and she likes them, so. But you get this whole box here. Get 15. 3 different flavors. You could get unflavored, you could get a mix. I just go for all flavor because that's what I like. And now for the return of Smartass and Sass. So I figured 50% off. I could do that. give me a break or some sort of break. Some of you are really going to like this shirt. I love the color. I mean, it's true. I'm not going to lie. Here is your sneak peek. This is a pretty big box this month, it looks like. I put the dope in dopamine. I might have to hang that up at work. We have a journal to let that go, a journal for leaving your BS behind and creating a happy life. So it's got some prompts in there. That's cute. I do like that. This might be the one journal I actually use. That is by Monica Sweeney at Macmillan Publishers. It is a $14.99 value. There's also a marker in here. Oh, here we go. So it is Me Time Magenta collectible marker. It's a Sharpie, and this is 3 of 12. I don't know. I don't know if you get a different one each month. No clue. I don't know. Haven't gotten this for a while. Next, by Banter Beauty, is a lavender flaxseed eye soother. Smells nice. And this is a $24 value. It says it will depuff and de-stress your eyeballs. You can use it as is or chill it for extra spa vibes. Next, we have this little bag. It has, let's see, fresh milk and shea butter foaming milk bath. This is a $19.95 value. Smells nice. It is by Smartass and Sass, or they put their name on it. They, you know, companies will have things, purchase things from a company and put their name on it. And then we have the matching lotion. Also amazing. And the body wash. All smells amazing. Next, we have the All Worries Calm Strips. Looks like a sticker. I don't know. Calm Strips are cool and convenient sensory sticker to help you regulate restless energy. Reusable, residue-free, and water-resistant. This All Worries design features a soft sand texture, designed by mental health advocate and anxiety wear creator Rebecca Rose. $2.95 value. Okay, that's nice. It does have a nice texture to it. Next, it says, be kind to your mind. This is my emotional support water bottle. It holds 26 ounces. It is a $21.95 value, and it does carry the Smartass and Sass label. And then last, we have this. It's very soft. It's like a sweatshirt material, it feels like. Yep, inside it's got that fleece. Oh, it's quite big too. And that is a $29.95 value. So I think that's a pretty good box. I mean, again, for 50% off, I think it was a nice curation. Certainly usable items, a water bottle. Not that I don't have, 42 of them. But, it's nice. I love the journal. I gotta tell you. Me and my office partner, we're gonna journal together. Every day I'm gonna make him journal with me. Yeah, that's my Smartass and Sass box, so I think that's a good return box. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. Leave a comment down below if you would, and hopefully I'll see you soon.